Convert your daily shower routine with the Scudo Core Gunmetal Concealed Shower Set, available here at Bella Bathrooms. Made from superior brass material and featuring a stunning gunmetal finish, this shower set offers both elegance and durability. The round shower arm and concealed shower valve provide a seamless appearance for your bathroom. The adjustable riser kit lets you customize the height to suit your preferences, while the wall-mounted fixed rainfall head delivers a luxurious cascade of water for an indulgent shower experience. You can choose between two handle options, the diamond cross hatch or the smooth appearance, to match your personal taste. Built to last, this shower set ensures you can enjoy a lavish shower experience every day. Upgrade your bathroom with the Scudo Core Gunmetal Concealed Shower Set and say goodbye to ordinary showers. Discover this and the rest of the Scudo Core range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.